In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook account using Safari. Whether you're looking to take a break from social media or you simply want to remove your presence from Facebook entirely, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Don't worry, this process is straightforward and the steps are similar whether you're using Safari or another browser like Chrome. First, you'll want to open Safari and head over to the Facebook website. Once you're logged into your account, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu holds several options for customizing your account settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This option will expand further details about your account settings, providing you with a more comprehensive look at what you can adjust. Once you've clicked on Settings and Privacy, go ahead and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Now, on the left side of this page, you should see an option labeled Account Center. Click on this to proceed. The Account Center is essentially a hub that Facebook uses to manage your linked accounts and privacy settings. In the Account Center, look for the option that says Manage Accounts and click on it. This section provides you with control over the different accounts and services linked to your profile. Once you're in the Manage Accounts section, locate and click on Manage. This step will lead you to more detailed settings regarding your account management. Finally, you'll want to find the option for Deactivation or Deletion. Click on this, and it will present you with the choice to either deactivate your account temporarily or delete it permanently. If you choose to delete your account, Facebook will provide you with some additional information about what that entails, including the loss of your data and how to download a copy of your information if you wish to keep it. Remember, deleting your Facebook account is a permanent action, so be sure this is what you want to do before proceeding. If you're just looking to take a break, you might want to consider deactivating your account instead, which is reversible and allows you to return whenever you're ready. And that's it! You've now learned how to delete your Facebook account using Safari. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials. Have a great day!